Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your space today. So today I'm going to share a video with you on how to knit a lace pattern. This lace pattern is so simple. So I've already bring out the needle layout for you to see. So I'm having 3 and 2 needle out. So 3 then 2 needles out. So I'm going to be playing around with these 2 needles that I push out. So before then, I'm going to remove the stitch on the 2 needles, on all the 2 needles right now, and hang it on nearby needle, to make the needle empty. So I'm going to do this to all the 2 needles that are pushed out. So I'm going to have 3 needle on with stitches and the empty 2 needles. So, and when you are doing this, make sure your carriage is at the left side. So I'm going to straighten the needles right now. Be careful not to lose any stitches. So that's it. So I'm going to go 1 row right now to knit up the transfer stitches. That's it. So right now I'm going to be introducing my empty needle one after the other. So I'm going to start with the left one, bringing it out to E position, one out of the needle. Make sure you notice the one you bring out first. So I'm bringing the left one out, and I'm going to put my carriage on hold on, like I don't want this needle to work. So I'm going to knit 3 rows right now. Then I'm going to close the knob for the needle to knit right now, and I'm going to knit 1 row. So the next thing to do is to transfer this needle that I just worked with back to the nearby needle. Transfer the stitches back to nearby needle. So that's it. So I'm going to make them straight, then bring out the second one that is at position A when I was using the first one. So I'm pushing it back to E position, just as you are seeing it. So right now I'm going to put my carriage on hold on and knit 3 rows. Then release the knob and knit 1 row. Then I'm going to transfer this stitch back to the nearest needle. So make sure you notice where you have the lace coming up, and the needle is what you are going to pick up to remove the stitches, sorry. Then I'm going to bring the next needle out to E position and put my carriage on hold on, then knit 3 rows. Then release it from hold on and knit 1 row. So this is the needle I just worked with. I'm going to transfer the stitch to the nearby needle. And bring the alternative needle out to A position. Then press hold on. Then 1 row. So I'm going to transfer the stitches back to the nearest needle. And bring the next needle out to A position. Then knit 3 rows with your knob on hold on position. Then release the knob and knit 1 row. So you can see how the lace looks like. Knit up few rows and let's see what we have here. So you can see the back view of it. This is the wrong side of it. So pretty as well. You can use it as your front side. The both side is so beautiful. Guys, this is what we have at the end of the day by interchanging those needles to form a lace pattern. So you can see how the lace is so visible. So thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and if you are just coming by my channel, please don't forget to subscribe as well. Let's have fun in knitting together. Thank you for watching. Bye.